Last night, Fall Fest, it was tiring. My back is so sore. But today I'm putting out the first ever video of me starting daily vlogging, which I'm really excited about. My throat's kind of sore, and you know, it's just so exhausting this welcome weekend, but it's really fun and I'm really enjoying it. And like I said in my move-in video, I edited the move-in video last night, and I said in that little edit part at the very end that we're going to pick up a voice recorder today so my microphone will actually work, so this audio isn't so bad. So we're going to go head over there, but first we need to take out a ton of trash from move-in that's still sitting outside of the dorm. I mean, this is a lot. I have to throw away all these boxes right here. Gotta take them down to the garbage. Hope I'm not throwing anything away important. So I cleared all the boxes out. I mean, it took a longer time than I expected, and it was a lot of work, but now we can go get that voice recorder. Actually, one more thing first. We got our orange vanilla Coke, and now we're ready to go. So the student store said they were out of the voice recorders, so I'm debating on going to Target to get those, but I did pick up a t-shirt. I went ahead and got the class of 2023, the gray one. I already had the blue one, so I decided to go ahead and get the gray one. So yeah, I need a drink, so I'm gonna go to Lenore. So after that nice pink lemonade, I decided to check Target online to make sure they had it in that store before I went over there, and luckily, since I wasn't stupid and checked, they didn't have it. So I decided to order it on the student store website, and I've got it ordered on pickup. I don't know when it's gonna get here, but until then the audio is just gonna be awful on these videos. I'm sorry. So I was excited I didn't have to go to Target, and then I realized I still have to go all the way up there because my entrepreneurship workshop thing that's going on up there is at 12 o'clock on West Franklin Street, where the Target's at. I mean, the Target's right here, so I should go ahead and check, I guess. Also, there's Google over there. Yeah, Target site was telling the truth. They didn't have them. So I guess I'm going to the entrepreneurship thing now. Yeah, so that entrepreneurship thing was pretty fun. I got some good information out of it. Connected with a lot of really cool people. There's some people doing some really cool stuff on there. I talked to two girls that were working on an app that's sort of like a social media app, but there's no likes or comments or any statistics or anything. I mean, I'm obsessed with like analytics, especially YouTube analytics, but I really like that idea and I want to see where it's headed. So now I'm just going to video edit maybe for an hour or so, just to work on the video that's supposed to come out tomorrow. And I'm not really got anything else planned for the day, so I may just go out and check out what's on campus. Okay, so I just finished editing for right now. I did it for about 2 hours instead of 1, and you know, it's starting to worry me because I was editing for that long and I only have like a 4 or 5 minute video so far, and I felt like I recorded a lot yesterday, yet I don't have much video. So I'm hoping I'm recording enough to get to like a 10-minute vlog, because that's what I'm aiming for. So I went to the dining hall to eat, and then I went to the library and chilled out there for a couple hours and did some homework and everything. And now I'm going and heading over to the lighting of the bell tower, where they're going to light the bell tower up, and then they're also going to be doing glow-in-the-dark soccer. Also, look at this awesome view. What's going on down here? Wow, there is a lot of students sitting around here. This looks like a little concert. There it is. It's gonna be lit up blue tonight. I think that's the only color they're doing. All right, it's getting really close to time right now, and there's the clock tower. You can't really see it though because it's very dark. Also, I'm sorry if this footage is really blurry. I had to max out my ISO just to be able to see anything on this camera. So I thought this was where the glow-in-the-dark soccer was, but apparently I just stumbled onto the football practice, and apparently anyone can just come in and watch it. So we're gonna go ahead and head out and try to find that glow-in-the-dark soccer because I want to video that. So it took me forever trying to find it on Google Maps because it's just called the indoor football field on the schedule, and I'm guessing they're meaning the field house, so I'm trying to go over to the field house now to check it out there. Okay, it said to turn left here, but this is like legit a parking lot. I mean, there's the outdoor practice stadium, so I guess the indoor is probably that building right up there. I don't know. They should have made this easier. I should not be walking alone like this. Okay, I think this is it. That looks like soccer to me, but it doesn't look like it's glow in the dark, so this is going to be really disappointing if it's just soccer. It smells like a Dick's Sporting Goods in here. I don't get where this is glow in the dark. This is legit just two balls being kicked around on a football stadium and all the lights are on. But this stadium's really pretty cool. It's very nice. I think they said it was very, very new. It had just been constructed, so I mean, at least we got to come down here and look at it, but I was expecting more from glow-in-the-dark soccer. I mean, I really hope the intent wasn't that it's dark outside and then once you go indoors there's lights on and that's glow in the dark. I really hope that wasn't the intention. I think it's probably that you know, I did see that one of those balls was neon, so I think the intention was to make it glow in the dark soccer and then some safety thing happened, so it's just normal soccer indoors at night. That's my guess.